How to contact Binance customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of contacting Binance customer support. So to begin, open your Binance mobile app and log in to your account. Once you have successfully logged in, simply tap on the Binance logo in the top left corner of the screen. And next, look for the headphone icon in the top right corner and simply tap on it. And this will take you to the Binance support page. On this page, you will find a variety of helpful articles that can address common issues. However, if you need to reach the Binance customer support team directly, scroll down to the bottom of the page and here you will see the option labeled Get Support. Simply tap on it and you will be redirected to the inquiry page. At the bottom of this page, you will find a message bar. From here, you can type your question directly into the message bar and simply hit enter. And after that, wait for a short while until a Binance agent is assigned to assist you. Once connected, you will be able to communicate with Binance customer support. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.